here we are in my backyard. This is what will be a nice big camping structure called a yurt. Got my walls sitting there, right there. Roof rafters over there with the roof ring, roof top, and the canvas sides are in that big tote. On top of it's a little jar of bolts. I'm going to go ahead and get it set up. I'll take some short videos in between. Oh yeah, not to mention the door and petunia. I'll take steps as I set it up. I'm going to show you guys how simple it is, really. I mean, with two people it could take anywhere from half hour, 45 minutes. I'm going to try and do it solo. It might take me a little bit longer, but that's okay. I'll get back with you. Alright, so now I've got the door frame up with the door and the walls up. You can see I got a belly band, a blue one. Kind of loose yet, but it'll tighten up as you get weight on it. I got a red one up here. It's pretty tight. And that just keeps it uniform. That's your main inner structure walls. My door. I'll take you to the inside here and kind of get a look. I got it wing nutted to the door frame 4 times, both sides. And it expands out, goes in like a circle. And over here at the back, where number 9 is, that's our roof rafter 9. There's 3 there, 1, 2, 3 wing nuts, and then 2, and then there's 1 behind the thing here, and then 1 down here, 2, 3, and 4. All wing nuts, puts the 2 walls together. Now we'll go ahead and put up the roof, and I'll get back with you. Okay, well, there it is. Get the roof up now. Just a big wood ring up there. I can't focus in, so a big wood ring, got some holes in it, and I took these 2x2s and I just made like a round dowel at the end. I got snaps on this outer end. That's to hold the top on. But I don't know if you can see that, but I get a little wing nut, the bolt that goes through, holding the end of the roof rafter down. I went every other one on the wall across. That's pretty high up. I mean, these walls are roughly 6 foot right around, which makes it really nice for camping because you can stand up against the wall all the way around. Really nice. Pretty simple design, and as a weight you can actually hang like a monkey off of that center ring, because all the outer support will come down here and it'll come up against this cable, and that cable can only go so far, so it'll stay intact. I haven't actually tried it because, well, I'm not a daring dumbass, but it's a pretty simple design. I like it. It works good for me and my family. I'll get back to you. I'm going to put the roof on and maybe the canvas. Alright, here we go. Let's walk inside first. I got the canvas wall hung. As you can see on the inside here, we got some little hooks with an eyelet patch sewn into the canvas. Pretty nifty. Just hooks and latch. And then you come along here, I'll show you the outside, but there's hooks and all these cross pieces up top where the canvas hangs through the cross piece and the cable. Keeps it all hung up really nice all the way around. Nice canvas wall. There's a roof. I gotta put the roof cap on yet. The wall's canvas, and the roof is a vinyl. One thing I gotta do yet out here, both flaps used to come in, hang in the middle and zip. Unfortunately, when we made it, the canvas hadn't had time to shrink yet. So once we got it up, put the zipper in, nice snug fit, let it sit out for a while. It shrunk, we unzipped it, never could get it back together. So I'm going to fold it right here and then make a hem snap, and then just snap it all the way up and down against the rail, door frame, and I'll do that with both sides so it'll look nice and clean. I think it'll look really good when I'm done. So let's get the roof on and I'll make another short video. Alright, here we go. White vinyl roof. You see it snaps right on the end of all the rafters, and I got a rope that'll tuck down underneath like that. I'll wrap all the way around. That'll keep it secure from unsnapping. But as you can see, nice white vinyl roof overlaps the canvas. Gonna figure out what I'm gonna do here for the door. Probably just maybe tuck it in and under, snap it from the inside. Not too bad. And a nice little folding roof cap here. This thing will sit right up on top. That'll be the inside. A couple of springs that'll cover that hole. Not too bad, huh? Yep. So that, my friends, is a Yurt. Simple to build. I think total investment, I'm probably up to about $600, I think. However, if you go through the one of the Yurt companies, they got one out of Colorado, and I priced them out, and for approximately this size Yurt that I built for $600, they wanted almost $3,000 for it. So you can save a lot of money if you're good with wood tools and got a creative mind, and well, get your information off the internet like I did. Pretty simple. I'll probably keep this for life, pass it down to my kids. They already know how to help set it up too. So very strong, very durable, good for camping. I hope you liked it. Send me comments, like it, share it, subscribe. This is Bob Jr. I'm out. Alright, finally completely done. I had to take the roof back off because we had an issue. I had to seal a seam. But as you can see, on my door flaps, here's some nice little snaps all the way up and down it. Snaps the canvas to one side of the door frame. You snap the canvas to the other side of the door frame. Kind of a shitty fold right there, but I'm not too worried about it. Part of that's because of the door, the way it opens, but so there's that band I was telling you about. Keeps the vinyl up underneath the wrap. So that way this vinyl can't pull up and pop that snap off. It goes all the way around. It's a nice seal. It's not very evenly cut, but I don't care, it works. And the top was free from a local sign company. Some of their scraps of vinyl signage. So I thank them very much. But that is a camping yurt. Portable. I can actually put the whole thing in my Ranger if I wanted to. But it is fairly big. Once set up, I measured it once, it was about 15 feet across, which gives you plenty of room inside. Got a locking door handle here. Well, and now it's latched. Okay. It latched on the inside. I'll have to fix that little issue. All in all, it's a nice little way to camp out, I think. Kids love it. It gets a lot of attention out at the campgrounds. We've had it to 2 or 3 different campgrounds now. Hopefully we'll get up to maybe Robay this week, or this year, or maybe Pactola. We've already taken it to Sheridan once. So, like, share, subscribe. This is Bob Jr. Thank you for watching.